Your problem isn't that you don't know what to do, it's that you think too much to actually do it. Every idea turns into 10 scenarios. Every decision becomes a mental debate, and before you know it, the moment to act is gone. Overthinking feels productive, like you're preparing, planning, getting ready, but in reality, it's just delaying action. And if you don't break this cycle, you'll stay stuck no matter how smart or capable you are. So here are 5 habits that can turn you from an overthinker into an action taker, and the best part is, they start working fast. First, act before you feel ready. Overthinkers wait for clarity, confidence, and the perfect moment. But that moment doesn't exist. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. So instead of asking, am I ready? Ask, what's the smallest step I can take right now? Send the message, start the task, make the call. When you move first, your brain stops overanalyzing and starts adapting. Second, use the 5-second rule. The moment you feel the urge to do something important, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. This simple technique interrupts hesitation and forces immediate action before your mind creates excuses. Because the longer you wait, the stronger your doubts become. Speed kills overthinking. Third, limit your choices. Too many options create paralysis. When your brain sees multiple paths, it tries to calculate the best one and ends up choosing none. So simplify your decision. Set clear rules for yourself. Decide in advance what you'll do, when you'll do it, and how long you'll spend on it. Fewer choices mean faster act. Fourth, set a thinking deadline. Overthinking happens when there's no limit. You keep analyzing because you can. So give your thoughts a boundary. Tell yourself, I have 10 minutes to think about this, then I act. This forces your brain to focus only on what matters and prevents endless loops of doubt. Thinking is useful, but only when it leads to action. And fifth, track actions, not ideas. Overthinkers are full of ideas, plans, and what-ifs, but none of it matters without execution. So shift your focus. At the end of each day, don't ask, what did I think about? Ask, what did I actually do? Even small actions count. This builds momentum and rewires your identity from someone who thinks a lot to someone who acts consistently. The truth is, overthinking isn't a sign of intelligence, it's a habit. And like any habit, it can be replaced. You don't need more information, more planning, or more time. You need movement. Because once you start taking action, even imperfect action, your mind becomes quieter, clearer, and more focused. So stop waiting for certainty, stop trying to figure everything out, and just begin. Because the fastest way to escape your head is to start moving with your feet.